Oh, no, 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 no.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jenny and Tati. Tati here, as you can see. I think I left my tripod back at home. I'm at home from the baby shower, but we're gonna make it work. So, I'm currently getting ready right now for class. It is 8:25 a.m. And I was like, oh, let me turn the camera and film me getting ready, basically. And you guys can come with me to class or just see a day in my life. Not even just class, you're gonna see a day. So today's Friday. I only have 2 classes today. It's a real calm day. My first class is at 9. I know it's 8:25 and I still need to eat breakfast. So yeah, it's a really calm day, so my outfit is calm with it. Gotta have the Nike. Always got the Nike on. I'm lying. I only got like 2 pairs of these socks. Is done. First, I gotta pack my bag. So since I'm gonna be having lab today, I gotta bring my laptop. And then I'm gonna be having English, so I'm gonna bring my notebook, chapstick. I hate this Blistex, by the way. I hate it, but it's all they had in the store. Oh yeah, I almost forgot my reusable straw. You know, we gotta save the turtles. And I'm gonna get breakfast, so I need that. Agua. And we need that Lawry's. We need that seasoning. Okay, now I'm set. My oatmeal. Alright, so our oatmeal is done. Tighten up the lid and let's put it in my bag. Now we on our way down. Good morning.
How you doing, all right?
I'm good.
All right, enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you.
Great day.
So I had to hurry up and throw out my breakfast because it's 9:08. I'm 8 minutes late and I still need time to walk there. So yeah, I'm late. But it's not that crazy of a class. It's a lab class. So literally we just go there and do the lab that's due for next week. You can honestly do it at home. But it's best to be there so you can ask some questions as you struggle, because you're gonna struggle. So yeah, see y'all when I'm there. Of course, it's Buffalo. Why wouldn't it be snowing? Feels like hail. What the heck? I gotta run. No, I'm not running.
but we want this thing being raised to the power of.
How do you get the square root command? I mean the square root symbol.
Control 2.
Is this correct?
When we have something inside of our trig function, what do we put there?
Oh, okay.
The square brackets, yeah. Now that's good. Now run that. And now when you run this, you're gonna get something uglier looking, but that doesn't mean you're wrong.
Oh.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Oh my God!
A day in my life in Buffalo. It just starts snowing for no reason. I wanna go home. Oh God, almost fell.
Wait till you see the. No.
Dang. All the snow melted off my hair already because I walked inside the building, but it's so much water. Luckily, my hair needs to get wet anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. But dang, I walked outside. Y'all saw it was clean and clear. It did say it was gonna snow, but I didn't know it was gonna be that much. I didn't know it was gonna be sticking because it was snowing like a little drizzle, but it wasn't sticking. And you saw what shoes I had on. I was sliding that whole way here. I need to get some snow boots. You probably look at my.
Why don't you have snow boots? You just go in Buffalo.
I know, right? Ask Jenny. Ask Jenny. Honestly, I could have bought them. I was gonna buy them, and after my friend was like, "No, you're about to go back home, and you don't even know if you're gonna go back to the school next year. So what's the point of getting snow boots?" I'm like, "Well, it still snows in New York in general, so it's not gonna be like it's gonna be a win-win, you know. Either way, you need if you're gonna live on the East Coast, you need some snow boots. Well, Northeast Coast, you're gonna need some snow boots. It's like going to Chicago with no snow. Like what? Where they do that at? What? I'm really mad. But either way, I was a little short anyway. Like if I had all the money, I would have bought it. But I was a little short. I was gonna have to ask my mom to fill in the rest for me. I'm so mad. Anyways, y'all saw me in math class. I hate coming to that class late because usually I'm able to get the whole lab done while I'm sitting there. But if you come late, then I'm gonna be behind, and the teacher be zooming out at 9:50. He be out of there. His code's on. He don't even want to answer no more questions. So I have to go to his office hours so we can finish the lab because it's really hard. It's a new software we're learning called Mathematica. So he expects us to have a lot of questions. He doesn't expect us to know how to do it all on our own. And you can't really look up a video on it because you need the video to be answering your exact question. So I'll just meet him in his office hours whenever I could. Well, also I just realized that I had to have math homework that's due on Wednesday in a textbook I did not buy. And I refused to buy it because I bought textbooks last semester and did not open not one of them. So I'm not wasting my money on that. So I'm gonna go to the bookstore today. Well, maybe a little bit later because it's snowing and I don't got no boots. But I'm gonna go to the bookstore and I'm gonna go find the textbook and I'm gonna take pictures of the pages and walk right out.
Period.
Boom. 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 Hey. Woo. But yeah, so oh yeah, you guys are following me around for the day, right? So what am I doing now? I guess I'm gonna clean up because my bed not made, my desk look crazy with all this hair products. I'm gonna clean up my room. And I have class at 11, which is in an hour. It's currently 10:05. I don't need my laptop for English. I'm gonna leave that here. Take out my seasoning and my straw. Put this away. I need to go wash this bowl. Alright guys, so it's 10:42. I'm gonna start making my way to class. I have class at 11. I think I want some hot chocolate, like a warm drink, because it's so cold outside. I wonder how many calories hot chocolate is, because I feel like they make it with water anyway. So I feel like it won't be that much calories. But we'll see.
If you need to be reminded, look on the syllabus. It's there too. All right. All right. So, if there are no other questions, let's do this. So let's learn. Let's write. Let's have some fun. Nathan, get the door.
Way of jokes are, I think, a really good way of understanding the audience, because if we don't have context for the joke, it's not funny to us.
Yeah. Like for instance, right? My dad's ultimate favorite jokes, and it's stupid, in my opinion, because I have no idea what the fuck he's talking about. But you know, he called me the other day and he said, all right, so I got a new joke for you. I said, great. Just let me sit close to the bathroom so I can run, because I'm gonna puke when I hear it. And he said, yeah. You know what the joke is? No. Dion DiMucci. Right? Exactly. I said, I don't understand. I know you're making a point. I just don't know what it is. He said, don't you know anything? You're talking about Dion DiMucci. I said, who the fuck is Dion DiMucci? And he said, it's the singer from the 50s. He was my favorite singer. When I call him Mushi, I'm making fun of his name.
Yeah, okay. But see,
You are developing. You singer.
10 paragraphs though. Well, we have till April. Maybe it won't be that hard to do. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna go to the bookstore and go take pictures of the homework pages I need for math class. This Friday is a little stressy, but he also said that for the next 2 weeks we don't have any class. So during that whole time I could be working on my essay. I should be. Hopefully I am. Dang, they changed up the setup. So now you can't just go look for the books no more. Now you have to go to the book teller and she's gonna go pick the book for you, which is not gonna help. Oh my gosh. What's it? They have baby Buffalo State clothes. Oh, I'm a little bingo. I don't think my plan's gonna be able to work. I'm trying to take a picture, and I don't know nobody in that class to even ask them if they have the book. I'm gonna try to find it online. Maybe. Let's see. Alright, so whoever that was in the bookstore, really blessed, because he came back with the book, right? And 1, it was used. 2, I couldn't even rent it out. And 3, to buy it was $96 for a used book. I'm like, come on, and you can't even rent it. He was like, do you need it for a long time? I was like, no, I don't need the book at all. I literally just need 2 questions from it, because we never worked out that book. So then he was just like, well, maybe we could take a picture of him. Like, that's exactly what I was planning to do. I was like, thank you so much. And he flipped to the page for me, and I was able to take a picture of it. So I just updated my homework board. These are all my assignments that's due. So I think I'm gonna get started on some homework, because that list is a little too long for my liking. And I'm not doing anything until 2, because at 2 I'll be going to the gym. So yeah, I'm gonna do some homework, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Peace. Alright, so I did literally, well, I tried to finish up my lab that I started in class, got stuck. Gonna go to his office hours. I did my English homework. I did a blog post, and I started my math homework, but then I got really stuck. I didn't know what to do next. That's the thing, like, I hate doing things that I don't know. Like, if I'm not confident with the answers, I don't want to just do it and then like be like, oh, the answer's wrong. I want to make sure it's right as I go along. I can't just move on with it. So it's like 1:30 right now. Let's see. Oh, it's 1:50 actually. It's 1:50, so I'm gonna go get some lunch. I can't. Sorry.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I can't decide between ramen or sushi. I'm gonna pick when I get there.
You seduce me on top of some produce. You break up with me.
So I finished eating, and now it's time to go to the gym. I put this waist trainer, whatever. We're snatched. Oh God. These sweatpants can barely fit me. I'm gonna see y'all at the gym. This is my treadmill complete face. I'm tired. I just ran on 7 speed. 7. That's a lot for me. Anyway, I'm just so I'm so tired. Okay, so I'm back from the gym. I'm exhausted. I got my post-workout snack, if y'all can see it. This chewy Nature Valley bar. Usually I get the fruit and nut one, but I saw that it was 140 calories. And this one is only 90. So I took this one instead. Hopefully it's good. I never tried it before. But anyways, now I'm gonna go in the shower because I'm going to a show that's starting at 5:30 and it's 4:20. And everyone's feeling to go there because it's like a thing they do every year. It's called Sexculsive. I don't know. My friend is going, so I was gonna go with her. I'm gonna go in the shower and get dressed for that, but nothing fancy. You can just wear whatever. So yeah, see y'all then. All right, guys. So I'm done at the shower. I finished lotioning and all that. I already did my hair over. I re-wet it. I put some concealer on my dark spots. Put some lip gloss on. I think that's basically it. I'm just gonna put on whatever it is that I'm wearing, and then wait for it to be time to go. Also, I didn't get to record all my workouts when I was at the gym because for some reason, for a snow day, like there was a lot of people there, which I was like so confused about. I thought nobody would be there, but a lot of people were there, surprisingly. So it was just like really awkward to like find a place to put my phone without like a whole bunch of people walking in front of it and stuff like that. So whatever I got. But I did way more than what I did. That's why I'm exhausted right now. Like I'm really tired. But yeah, I'm not sure what time it's gonna end, but I feel like it's gonna go past 7. So I'm gonna bring my dinner smoothie with me so I don't miss dinner while I'm there. Same old me. Cheese. Yeah. I think I'm gonna make my way there now because I know the line's gonna be mad long. Something about girls dressed up in like nakedy outfits makes people excited. So yeah. I'll see y'all when I'm there. Peace. Guess who's at the end? This girl.
It is prohibited. In the event of an emergency, an alarm will sound and flashing lights will go off. Please proceed in a calm and orderly fashion to the nearest exit, which may be behind you. At the conclusion of tonight's show, please assist our staff in bringing any trash to the nearest trash receptacle. Thank you for coming and enjoy the show.
Yeah, I like your vibes, I like your energy. Y'all eat today. Y'all went to dining before y'all came here, right?
Boy.
I don't know what one now. You don't gotta tell me. But coming to the stage right now, introducing Calm. Give it up for Calm, guys. Give it up for Calm.
Contradiction. I don't know who I am anymore. Do I maintain this calm condition? Y'all know this, right? Y'all know this? So I'm gonna ask y'all to say go for me. Y'all ready? Say go.
Oh lover, don't you dare slow down. I just wanna feel your hands all over me, baby. You can't stop. Oh lover, don't stop. Oh, you can't keep your hands off me. Touch me right there, rock my body. She can't keep her hands off me. My body's a party. Let's get it started. Girl, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I said, give it up for Team Kev and the models. Give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up. Woo! Team Kev.
Let me see it.
She called me right now and send a message. Come and love me till the song is so infectious. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What you need is a rider, wanna slide it beside your beat. The rules up till you forget all your problems. You can drop it in my split. Shorty, we up there, feed you up like a Sunday sweet and chocolate. Got some pretty ass lips, sexy ass, and I ain't gon' hold you. My dick ain't jump like this in the.
Welcome to the sweet and savory house of Godiva. Would you like to come in?
Yes, Daddy. I've always wanted to come and join the house of Godiva.
So you must survive the chocolate. So tell me, do you accept?
Yes, Daddy.
Good. Now show me what that mouth do.
forgot to film a outro yesterday, but after the show, I literally just went to my friend's room and like helped her with her hair and stuff, and I was just there for most of the night. Then I went back home and I went to sleep. So it was pretty boring, that last part, so you guys didn't miss anything. But that show was so long. Like, it was from 6 to 9 o'clock, and it took forever, but it was like cool. I really liked the last performance. If I'm able to put in any of the performances, because it was a lot of music, so I don't want to get copyrighted. So I had to like try to either mute all of them or like really speed it up. But the last performance was really good. That's what really everyone was there for in the first place. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed coming around with me at school. Let me know if you guys want to see another day, like a Tuesday or a Thursday where I go to jewelry making class, because that class is really fun, and I only have one class that day, so I can show you guys like my pendant and what I'm making and stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you can see when I post a new video. Bye.